In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate story ideas with Grok AI. If you're feeling stuck on a new story, Grok AI can help you quickly explore fresh angles, genres, and themes. We'll walk through the exact flow from opening the tool to refining ideas you can actually use. Keep your notebook or document open so you can capture anything that clicks. First, open Grok AI. You can either go to the official Grok AI website in your browser or launch the Grok AI app on your device. Make sure you're using the official source so you get the most up-to-date features and a secure experience. Once it loads, give it a second to initialize so everything is ready. Next, open the chat interface. This is where you'll talk to Grok. You should see a chat window with a text box at the bottom. If there are multiple sections, choose the main chat or a new conversation to keep your ideas organized. Now, provide your topic or genre. In the input box, type the topic, genre, or theme you want to explore. Be as specific as you can. For example, instead of fantasy, try cozy fantasy in a seaside village. Or swap sci-fi for near-future sci-fi about memory technology. If you have a mood, audience, or time period in mind, include that too. The clearer your starting point, the more targeted the ideas will be. Around the middle of this process, a quick note. If you're using the app, there's a download link at the very top of the description. And if you prefer the website, that link is also right there for easy access. With your topic ready, ask Grok to generate ideas. Type a prompt like, "Generate story ideas about your topic," or "Give me creative story ideas for your theme." You can also request a certain number of ideas, a tone, or a target audience to shape the results. Grok AI will return several ideas. Read through them and notice what sparks interest. Save or copy the ones that stand out, combine elements you like, and set aside anything that doesn't fit. Look for variety, different conflicts, settings, or character dynamics, so you have a few promising directions to choose from. Finally, refine if needed. Ask Grok to expand on a favorite idea, change the style, or provide multiple variations. You can request a tighter hook, a different point of view, or a shift in pace. If an idea is close but not quite there, nudge it with specifics like desired themes, stakes, or length to sharpen the result. That's how you can quickly generate story ideas using Grok AI. Thanks for watching.